emotionally, our thinking, our reasoning, the way we talk, and we reason along with those that knows. I mean, I'm telling you, a lot of things will not work again for our politicians because we will be in one bond. Let me give an example now. What I'm telling you this morning now, I am reasoning along with
Okay.
you, are reasoning along with me. So definitely we are in one
Okay.
bond
You are right.
already. So if another person
You
is
are right.
coming and the person is in another bond with us, which is the bond of love, and the person tries to listen to us, that okay, this is what we are deliberating on, this is the step we want to take, and we agree it with one mind, I am telling you, it won't work from our leaders again.
Yes.
Because
You are
during
right.
the one bond, let me give an example. Sorry to chip in this. If ASU and NASU